The Moodle stack question type is very powerful. However, with that power comes significant complexity. When you first start editing a stack question, as you can see here, there are lots of fields you could possibly be editing. I've just counted up approximately 70. So as I scroll down here, you'll see that some fields are unique to stack and some are available in other question types as well. But if I scroll down to here, you can see that in the input section here, we've got a lot of fields, we've got some options there, and we've got tags. And when people are first learning the stack question type, this can be quite overwhelming. So here at Catalyst, to address that, we've created a new plugin that we call Tweak, and this will allow an administrator to set up fields as hidden depending on certain criteria. So to go back to this specific question, you can see here I've said hidden question fields, random group, question status, default mark, ID number, question description and penalty. You can see some of those there, question status and default mark. Now those are really useful fields, but perhaps when you're first attempting to learn how to use the stack question type, they can be a slight distraction. So this is one of the ways you can invoke a tweak, is if it is set up to be linked to a user profile field. So here you can see I've set this up to be linked to simplify stack question editing. So I will update the profile here, go back to the field, and you can see that random group is still available and the other fields and ready. I'll now refresh this screen and you can see that those fields have now been hidden. Now I've shown it there as being triggered by membership of or the setting of a user profile field, but this can also be done by membership of a cohort, which is a site-wide group. So you can imagine that if you had some new students who are starting to learn the stack question type, you might decide to put them in a novice learner cohort for the first week, so they see a simpler interface, and then take them out of that cohort later on. And the fields that can be hidden is fairly arbitrary, so you could make it simpler than this. So that is how we are working to make stack more approachable and easier to use for novices.